Hi guys, here definitely Mario. Today we want to edit our sprinting, crouching, and maybe if the video gets not too long, we want to implement our flashlight system. Or better say the first step of it. So now let us go to Unreal Engine. Now we add our Unreal Engine and we have to open our BP person character. Now we are working the first time on a blueprint. You can see it here. We have to edit some variables first. So we want to know if we're sprinting or not. So is sprinting, and it's a boolean like here. But we want to organize them, so we have to add a group for it, and we name it moving. And this group we want to now is crouching. We want to know if we're crouching at the moment or not. So, I see I have a misspelling here, moving. And we need some more variables here. We need now the walk speed. And that is a float. Compile, and I want my walk speed to be 200. We need a run speed. And for me, the run speed will be 500. So that's all we need for the sprinting system. But we want to toggle between sprinting and not sprinting. So we need an input for that. And in the enhance input system, we do it here in the input folder. We go on actions. Now we create a new action. We do it input action here. We name it EA for input action. Print. So if you have created, you can go one folder up and go to the IMC default. Here you have your default key mappings. Expand it. Click the plus button. Now take your EA sprint. And now I put it on my left control. If you click on this button, after that you can click any key on your keyboard and it will be assigned. If you not want that, you can choose it between this long list, keyboard button, mouse button, Xbox One button, Android button. It depends on for which platform you want to distribute. But for our tutorial, we take things simple and we take the left control. Save it. Now we can choose here the input action. Right click, EA, sprint. So now we got it. So we want to take started, not triggered. Why? It will be triggered multiple times, and then the toggle will switch between walking, sprinting. That's not what we want to do. We want to take the input one time, edit press, and toggle between the states. So what we need here is a branch. In this branch, we want check is sprinting at the moment. did it like this. When a sprinting is true, we want to set a sprinting to false. And if a sprinting is false, we want to set it to true. If you want these dots to double click on the line and you will get it, and you can make the lines a little bit ordered. So again, the check is sprinting. It is true. We will set it to false. It is false. We will set it to true. A simple toggling behavior. So now we need two custom events. Custom event. One is start sprinting. And the second is stop sprinting. And now we can tell him to use it. Here is it, stop sprinting. And here is it, start sprinting. Oh, stop jumping, das ist natürlich völlig falsch. And that, sorry, that is totally wrong. I say it in German, forgive it. Stop sprinting. And now we are finished on this action. I highly depend, to make comments for yourself. You can select all, press C on the keyboard, and now you have a border and you can let a comment. The comment will be here, toggle between walking and running. So, and now let us create the functionality to do so. If we start printing, we need the character movement. We want to set max walk speed, and we do our running speed here and connect it, and we connect that, and that's it. Set max walk speed for the character to running speed. And now we can simply copy this too, because we need them exactly again. Connect this and take the walk speed and connect it. Now we make another comment and say, oh, we can copy this so we have the same wording, and make here to the walk speed. So now we got this. We have to do one more thing. We have to go to the character movement and go to the max walk speed and set it to our variable. I think we got 200, and give that 200 max walk speed crouching. We take 150. So now, if we press play, and now we press the left control button, you see we toggle between running and sprinting. So yeah. But I see we have do it in 10 minutes. To hold the videos short so you can follow it at your best, I will take a break here. And in the next videos, we will go to the crunching and start our flashlight abilities. So yeah, I wish you a good day.